This Forest, she's a Siberian Husky. She's around 4 years old, and she's looking for her home. She's a really sweet girl, super cuddly, really chill. Does like to talk, but what girl doesn't like talking? Hi, mama. Come here. Good girl, good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, good girl.
What kind of student would be good for Flores?
Let's see. Forrest, she would actually like anybody. She just wants someone who likes to cuddle, likes to hang out, chill. She would like someone who likes to give her treats, right, Forrest? And someone who just wants to hang out, like to go for some nice little walks. Oh, baby girl.